Hello students. In our earlier lecture we have gone through a passage and the passage is fortunately with respect to our communication topic. In earlier so called discussion I have gone through and adopted the certain strategy and narrated what does the meaning of the passage stands for. Now, it is our concern to use this particular passage to understand the questions and write them down in our notebook for our study purposes. So, in the same way, whatever the points that have been made or prepared, you will find these here, okay, as we have seen the answers, okay. So, let us go through the passage and what does it stands for. See, as the discussion that we have gone through in our earlier so called say discussion, we have to answer the questions. The first question was, communication is derived from, it is, the answer is Latin. See, in Latin the word means to make common, to share and to transmit. See, further the question was, communication need not always be conscious, it may be even unconscious or accidental. In the next say, I have here given the answer. What meanings of the word communication are helpful for the study of business communication? What meaning of the word communication? तर त्या ठिकाणी we have seen that काय आहे, the sharing between two persons or group of people or group of persons. हे जे उत्तर आहे हे आपल्याला बिझनेस कम्युनिकेशनसाठी हे उत्तर जो मेसेज त्याचा अर्थ जो निघतो तो आपल्याला बिझनेस कम्युनिकेशनला अप्लाय करता येतो. सी, सो लाईक दिस वी हॅव दिस पर्टिक्युलर आन्सर. आय होप you will take a screenshot and note down in your respective book. Okay. The third question was, what examples does the writer give to support his argument that there is communication only when the communication or the message is understood, acknowledged and reacted to? So, what examples, कोणती उदाहरणं का त्या ठिकाणी असं सांगण्यासाठी वापरलेला आहे लेखकाने का कम्युनिकेशन हा एक असा भाग आहे का जो मेसेज ट्रान्समिट केल्यानंतर तो समजून घेऊन त्याचं सिक्रेट इंटरप्रिटेशन आपल्या कोड्समध्ये करणं आणि ते अनकॉन्शियस ही प्रक्रिया घडते त्याच्या मनामध्ये अँड ही रिॲक्ट्स, ओके, तर रिॲक्शन करतो. तर ह्या गोष्टींसाठी कोणतं उदाहरण लेखकांनी दिलेले आहेत, ओके. तर त्या ठिकाणी उदाहरणं आहेत ऑफ मार्स, मंगळ ग्रहाचे, अनलेस देअर इज अ पर्सन टू रिॲक्ट टू रेडिओ मेसेज, हे उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे. अँड मराठी अँड तामिळ स्पीकिंग पर्सन, ओके, हे उदाहरण त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं, जे हे सांगण्यासाठी कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस सांगण्यासाठी आणि समजून देण्यासाठी हे दोन उदाहरणं वापरलेली पाहायला मिळतात. Next is, apart from using words, is there any other way in which we can communicate? See, म्हणजे शब्दांच्या व्यतिरिक्त अजून कुठला मार्ग आहे की ज्यामुळे कम्युनिकेशन आपण करू शकतो? सो येस, द अदर वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉन व्हर्बल. Gestures, signal, codes, facial expressions. See. The next question was, if we see, apart from we can communicate, okay, see, like this we have this part. So let us go through the next question. If we accept the meaning of communication as given by the writer, would the following of the examples of proper communication? The examples are a poet addressing the moon, first. Second, a professor talking to himself in the empty railway compartment. Third, a wife nagging her husband. Lovers whispering to each other at Juhu Beach is the fourth option, D option. So, if we go through whatever the statements are made, the proper examples are of communication is given here. Lovers whispering to each other is a proper communication. Next, what type of words in English are usually derived from Latin? कोणत्या प्रकारचे शब्द लॅटिन भाषेतून बनवलेले आहेत? So we have technical words that are derived from Latin. 7. Find words and phrases in the passage which mean the following. See, कोणते शब्द आपल्याला पॅसेजमध्ये मिळतात ज्यांचा अर्थ दिलेला आहे? A. Connected with special art and science, तर त्याला टेक्निकल वर्ड्स. Focus attention on, concentrate is the word. Pass or hand on, transmit. Sign or token, signals. Sign, signals. System of secret signs or writing, secret codes. Happening unexpectedly, the word is used as unconscious or accidental. Okay, see, the next question is a radio message beamed to Mars does not communicate unless there is a person. So, if is to be used. If a radio message is beamed to Mars, it doesn't become communication unless there is a person. See. Ninth one is change the voice of the following sentences. See, this brings us to the next aspect of word communication. We are brought to next aspect of word communication is the voice. I speak to a Marathi speaking person. Marathi speaking person has been spoken to by me. So, in this way, we have these 9 questions based on the passage and we have to answer them. Next is the next question that we need to is suppose you are reading a passage and in order to get the information for your younger brother, आपण आपल्या लहान भावासाठी हा पॅसेज वाचून सांगणार आहोत. चूज सम पॉईंट्स. ह्या पॅसेजमधून काही पॉईंट्स निवडायचे आहेत जे महत्त्वाचे आहेत. इग्नोरिंग अदर इश्यूज अँड गिव्ह एन एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ पॉईंट्स दॅट यू हॅव सिलेक्टेड. मग पॉईंट्स आपल्याला इथं काढायचे आहेत. तर कोणते पॉईंट्स आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये मिळतात? द फर्स्ट आय हॅव गिवन कम्युनिकेशन इट्स ऑरिजिन. कम्युनिकेशनचं ओरिजिन सांगितलं आहे. कम्युनिकेशनची प्रोसेस सांगितली. 2 वे प्रोसेस. स्पीकर, मेसेज अँड लिस्नर. फीडबॅक इज ऑल्सो देअर. 2 वे कम्युनिकेशन ज्यामध्ये हे एलिमेंट्स येतात. 3 तामिळ अँड मराठी स्पीकिंग पर्सन हे एक मुद्दा आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल मिळालं. टेलिफोन अँड क्लासरूम डिस्कशन दॅट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल दॅट वी गॉट. 11 answer the following questions by choosing the best alternative A, B, C. Ata, if you have, I already shared with you in our earlier so-called lecture, you can take and look into the questions. The questions are available with you. Now, see, options are Latin is a language. Technical language, language and proper language for communication. So, the B option is a language. Communicare. The options are is an English word, has three meanings in English, and means we must communicate with care. Communicate म्हणजे कोणतं ऑप्शन बरोबर आहे? Communicate has three meanings in English is the correct option that you will find. Authors mentions Tamil. The options are A, because it is richest Indian language. B, in the context of Tamil speaking person. C, it is important for communication. So we have B, in the context of Tamil speaking person. C, communication must A, be there with mass, is only with effective with radio message, have a receiver of the message. See, so have a receiver of a message. Communication must have a receiver of the message. Secret codes A, are necessary for Marathi or Tamil speaking persons, are useful in sending radio messages. C, are also a form of communication. Secret codes are also a form of communication. So, the correct option is secret codes may be used. Okay. Secret codes are not necessary for the Marathi or Tamil speaking persons, or secret codes are useful in sending radio messages, not so. So, the only option that is proper is C, and that is given here is that of are also form of communication. So, in this way we have gone through the passage, and for the practical purposes, for your study purposes, we have studied the questions and answers based on that. So, I hope that you will adopt the strategy, will try to understand the meaning of the words, use the technical skills, use dictionary if it is possible, or find the words on the internet. You will get the meaning of the words on internet also. So, it will help you to prepare for not only to our subject, for your general English knowledge also. So, it is equally important that we must use these types of so called things for our purposes. So, I thank you all, and I would request you to read the passage. In the next near future, we are going to conduct a small so called study based test. Okay, means just of a few marks or 10 to 20 marks test just for practice purposes in the near future. Thank you.